Traffic rules test at a controlled intersection. Task: in what order will drivers pass through the intersection in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. White car, red car, yellow car. 2. White car, yellow car, red car. 3. Yellow car, white car, red car. 4. Yellow car, red car, white car. 5. Red car, white car, yellow car. 6. Red car, yellow car, white car. Task analysis. At the intersection, the driver of the white car turns right, the driver of the yellow car goes straight, and the driver of the red car makes a U-turn. The intersection is equipped with traffic lights, which means it is regulated. At the same time, the driver of the white car has a red light on the main section, but on the additional section, a green arrow for turning right is lit, so the drivers of the yellow and red cars should have a green light. That is, all cars at the intersection are allowed to move at the same time. In the situation depicted, it would be a terrible mistake to think that if the traffic lights allow everyone to move, then you need to follow the priority signs, in particular the main road sign that the driver of the white car sees in front of him. In fact, we read the traffic rules. Traffic light signals, except for flashing yellow, have priority over road priority signs. That is, there can be no priority based on the priority sign in the situation depicted. Therefore, we read the traffic rules. When moving in the direction of the arrow included in the additional section simultaneously with a yellow or red traffic light signal, the driver must give way to vehicles moving from other directions. Thus, the driver of the white car will pass the intersection last. Furthermore, in a situation where one driver is moving straight ahead and the second driver is turning in the opposite lane, the latter must yield. Let's read the traffic rule. When turning left or making a U-turn at a green main traffic light, the driver of a non-rail vehicle must give way to a tram traveling in the same direction, as well as to vehicles traveling in the opposite direction straight ahead or turning right. The order of passing will be as follows: yellow car, red car, white car. The correct answer is number 4. Yellow car, red car, white car.
Oh yeah!